locked so it can't fall. And yeah, now that I've got a lift, I can do timing belt jobs, clutches, I can get on with my own projects. I want to buy cars from Copart. That's really what I want to be doing. Buying cars from Copart, bringing them here, fixing them, taking them to the body shop where I rent this garage from, and getting the help from a few of the guys that I've made friends with in this yard, and knock these cars out. It's a really exciting time in my life. I can't lie to you guys. I'm so happy. And give you some, on my Instagram I've got pictures where I first started doing the work, digging the ground up, leveling it. I'm no expert at doing this thing. Can't lie, I've never done anything like this before. I'm a mechanic by trade. Started in 2005 working at a main dealer, and I've always worked on the road because I'm unruly. I don't like having a boss, so every time I've had a job, I've kind of like not enjoyed myself, not really felt respected, not felt a lot of things. So here I am building my business, SP88. Yeah, this is the first of many cars that will be in my ramp. This is the first car. I bought this BMW for £200. It smokes and misfires, so I thought it could be a head gasket, but it doesn't misfire all the time, so it could even be something simple as the NOx sensor. So yeah, let me drop this car off and wrap this video up for now. Guys, this is something big. I was trying to actually tell you the story about how I done it. So I bought this lift for £800 on Facebook Marketplace from a garage that was closing down. I didn't realize that was 3-phase, so when I got it here I had to run a cable across to the front. I've just knocked the cable off the wall. I need to fix it. I knocked it off the wall with that scaffolding tower that I was using. Didn't use the right plugs, I don't know. But anyway, I need to fix that. Yeah, got a concrete company out to come and pour the concrete. I'm hoping that he's used the best quality concrete. I asked him for the strongest PSI, and he said that's what he did. So after that, because I'm a noob at laying concrete, it wasn't the flattest, so I had to use some shims and whatnot to get the ramps, you know, straight. Done my best to measure them to make sure that they're square as well, but it's working, guys. I'm just going to lower the car down so you can see it. Yeah, so there we go, proper lift. Don't know what to say, guys, but from now on this is going to be a channel where I'll be knocking out a few projects and Copart cars, whatnot, buying sellers. This is the buy and sell garage. One unfortunate thing about not having proper space to put a ramp is I'm kind of limited the size of the car, size of the vehicle that I can use, because if you look back here, I haven't got much more space before I'm hitting this back wall. So lift capacity is 3,100 kilograms. It's way heavier. It can take way heavier than this car, basically. Way heavier. And obviously I had to waterproof this. It's a lot of volts, guys. And let's have a little clean up. I was just bleeding it. I can lock this up and I get a new lock. Got some power on here as well. A little waterproof power outlet. When I turn the mains off, that will turn that off as well. And I turn the lights up as well. I put some lights up there. I was thinking about a roof for it, but I haven't got there yet. And probably a little paint, repaint, to keep it as fresh as possible so it don't start rusting out. But guys, have you ever wanted to have your own two-post lift and not bothered? This is my 206. This is the first car I ever bought with my own money. So this is what I own down in this yard. There's quite a few cool cars down here, I must admit. Yeah. But I only own some basic stuff, like the Peugeot's mine, this BMW's mine, and that ice cream truck is mine. I'm going to turn that ice cream truck into a food van. That's my mobile mechanic van down there. It needs a good sort out. So I'm going to back up now and probably just sort that out and get going, because you can see it's getting dark. But I've been down in here today just getting this ready. This is I think the 1st of March. I think it could actually be the 1st of March 2025. Let's imagine finally done it. This in here now is also some stuff that I need to get sorted so that this could be a proper nice place to work. You know, we're gonna get there though, slowly but surely. I think the first thing is to find a place to get rid of all this wood. This is the wood that I use for the forms. I'm just here admiring my work. I'm happy. I'm gonna start getting all my personal vehicles sorted out and then start finding some cool cars to start working on to bring to the channel. I really appreciate you guys watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you want to keep up with me and this channel. This is just a quick little take back to what this floor was like when I started digging it up. You know, there used to be a pool of water there. It was so frustrating. Hard work pays off. That's all I can say.